Good afternoon, meet again with me, Tunik Pandey. I like making something, especially if that thing made from wood. So this time I would like to review my homemade turning machine. So as you can see, all of the part mostly made of wood and combined with some steel, drut, and nut. Last time I was add some acrylic glass to protect my eyes from the dust and from the big part of the wood when it works. So this is a little bit modern because mostly wood turning machine has no handle like this at the back. So this handle could push and pull the main part of the wood turning machine. So this is very easy to use, something like that. Because it moved very slow, I put some plus nut so I can push with my automatic drill. So as you can see from on the video, it's move forward and back. So I use water pump machine and I would like to move that one to this side because this is multifunction machine. So if I would like to wash or make it my other product shiny, I can change the head to the brush. And if I would like to use it as a wood turning machine, I just change the head to the wood turning machine head 1. So this is very easy process. Okay, so I would like to change it now. This is changeable and very easy to change. Okay, this is made from wood with some nail inside, and then I took from angle grinder head, something like that, the sanding paper one. I think you know that already. Okay, let's make it tight and strike that the point of this wood turning machine. If it not strike, the value is not so good. I think you know that already. So need time to set it to the right size and right set one. Okay, it's look good. So let's see next. I would like to set it. The left nut should be meet with the right nail one. So that is like a measure. This the setting is strike. Could you see it? It's strike. And I was prepare a log for this review. So let's put it inside. Very easy and very simple. Okay, the log is not so straight, so a little bit curved. This time I do not do the process, so I only do the review. Okay, this is the full looking of my wood turning machine. From the round handle that could move forward and back, the nut that I have just put it there for my drill, screwdriver, something like that, and then long drut that come inside to the main part to hold the wood, and there is a small nut stuck over there. That is the most important part. Yes, that is the nut. To put the nut over there is a little bit tricky because if you don't have the right tool like chisel, that will be a little bit hard. And then acrylic 5 milli to protect your eyes when it turns, because last time I got a little bit I got problem when it worked. Not so bad. but it will really help if you put some protection over there. Not many wood turning machine has protection like this, so I would like to make it perfect and better. It's removable, so you can see. Alright, look good. So this one look like a maybe honeycomb, but this has no reason. That has reason why I put some hole there to make it the dust could come inside when I clean it, and then it's very easy to clean when I use like air pressure to clean. So there is hole over there, and the function is to hold the chisels. You know that, right? And that's also removable. Alright, so far so good. So let's move from the back. So I still put the brush over there, so if I would like to make it, if I would like to clean the product, so I can clean it directly after the wood turning process, something like that. So from in the front, this one I made from sanding circular grass sanding greener. I'm not sure the names. I will show you what is I mean. So yeah, that part I made from this. It's very easy to find and very easy to make. Alright, so this part is bearing. I got from the car garage. This is good and free also. Okay, please subscribe if you like my video and wait for another project. Thank you.